It's actually a wonderful experience, wonderful feeling to host all of rectors, all of boards, all of students, of student representatives of our university alliance. I'm particularly happy that this is taking place in Dubrovnik, a city that throughout most of its history was acting as a bridge between different parts of the world. So for the first time bringing all pieces of our alliance together in Dubrovnik, what better place to be here.
This General Assembly was an in-person meeting of many boards and directions inside of Eunicoast to try and align everybody's efforts towards this direction, which is basically creating new opportunities for students to get a higher education in quality and in mobility.
I think that this alliance can go very, very far because the aim is to transform all the universities, and at the end, in 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, I think that we can make one sole university, one European university at the very sense of the word.
It's a very important meeting. It goes beyond academic ambition. It goes about connecting and promoting the future of our universities.
It is very important for us to get together and try to figure out solutions for the problems that are common to our territories and to face the challenges that the world faces nowadays.
We produce knowledge through research and we transfer it through education and also through transfer to industry and all the environmental ecosystem.
I hope that this alliance will further develop, that it will become an important vehicle of development of our universities, and that it will upgrade its identity.
We are very enthusiastic because this is always a great opportunity to meet in person and discuss very important issues, strategic projects that can only reach, the starting point at this time if we actually share some values.
Through this network of relations, our autonomy can grow in its role in higher education and research. Broader educational networks and increased mobility in education strengthens our European connection and identity.
We feel, the whole university, that we can do a lot of good things, very positive things at our university thanks Eunicoast. One of them is this is like the transformation engine. Today we were talking with other rectors that this is kind of the engine for all of our university for transformation, so we can increase the mobility of students, PhD students, but also researchers, including, and this is especially very important, young researchers. So they can feel that they are like the part of this community. They can go to other university, visit such beautiful places like this university.
Eunicoast brings the students, brings the teachers, brings the universities across borders, across perspectives together. And so I'm convinced that the future of teaching is in the networking. And so one important thing for me is that the students are on an equal standing to teachers in all that network.
Europe, I think we'll have much more attractive educations that are more relevant for also the coastal areas, island areas, and so on. Be more attractive, so we can actually keep people working within these areas, so that don't all move to bigger cities and bigger areas.
Eunicoast is a strategic partnership, can improve the skills of our students, our academic staff. So we are very proud to be part of it, and we are very, very happy to be hosted by the Dubrovnik University. We enjoy a lot.